This is my unknown brand 52-inch ceiling fan. It's a model number AC-552, and it has the letters BB after the model number in quotation marks. This fan was made in Taiwan, and it is dated February of 1995. The motor draws 73 watts or 0.8 amps, and with the light and the motor, it's a total of 3.30 amps. This fan is electrically reversible. As you can see, there's a switch right there. Here's the color on the top of the blades. These are reversible blades. Go ahead and turn the light on. It's got 3 bulbs in it. You can sort of see the reflection of one of them right there. And if anybody knows the brand of this fan, please let me know because I'd like to find out what it is. We'll turn the light off, and then let me turn the fan on high. It does wobble just a little bit, and it does make some humming sounds, but I think there's just something loose on it that's making that sound. It's a pretty decent air mover. Go down to medium now. And it stops humming on medium. This really is a very quiet fan. No bearing noise, no motor noise except for on high. That only happens sometimes. Still putting out a nice breeze. Now I'll go down to low. Like I said, it does wobble just a bit. Although once it gets all the way down to low speed, it pretty much stops wobbling. Doesn't move too much air on low, but I wouldn't expect it to. It's still a nice little breeze. And now, I'll shut it off. Has a pretty long spin down time. I've had this fan in here for quite a while. There used to be one here that was almost identical except it had a different light kit. We took that one down because it started making a burning smell. Not sure what it was. Or what it was inside the fan making the burning smell. We still have it. It's in the attic right now. And this fan has been in multiple rooms in the house. And there it stopped. Now we'll reverse it. Here's a close-up on the pull chains. Neither of these came with the fan. Alright, we'll start with high in reverse. Certainly makes a nice breeze when it's on reverse all around the room. Show it with the light on. Now go down to medium. Once again, humming stops on medium. And I can still feel a nice breeze from this fan where I'm standing. The paper is still moving just a little bit. And now we'll put the light on and go down to low. It's a very quiet fan, like I said before. I can still feel a breeze. Almost fell there. And off. And I'm not going to bore you with another spin down. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you know what brand this is, please let me know. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.